This is a demonstration of how check-ins is used by occupational medicine. First of all, we have a screen here that shows how an employer would check in one of their employees. Right here we have two centers. I'm going to go ahead and click on check-in on this center. Pulls up the information that I'll need to fill in the patient's information. I'm going to simply fill this information in real quick. Select the policy, select the collection date, I'll do today, and the collection time. Go ahead and say at 1 o'clock. And any notes that I want to take, and I hit confirm. So now we're done with the submission. Once the employee goes to the location, they will have a screen like this on the kiosk. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my information here. My birth date. Basically it says that I'm checking in. I click on check in. And now the system is ready for the next employee. On the dashboard, I'm going to go to the check-ins back office system. I'm going to log in. I'm going to select the occupational medical center that I want to use. And here I'll launch the dashboard. On unregistered, you can see that the person is scheduled to be checked in at 1 p.m. Once the person is at the location, you can click here to get additional details about the check-in process, their date of birth, and any kind of notes in the policy that they have. If we have any notes associated to the particular patient, I can click here. This will pull up some additional notes. Hit submit. And that shows the person who created the note and the time. Go ahead and click that down. When the person is ready, first thing that usually happens is, and you can see the notes here as a pop-up, what generally happens is we have to verify the employee and their policy. Once that is verified, we can then move to registered. Okay. Now once they're moved to registered, they will show up in the waiting room, and they are in the ready queue. From the ready queue, you can then move the patient to one of the collection rooms or any of the other rooms. And in this case, we'll go ahead and move them into collection room 3. Okay. And once I'm in collection room 3, I can move this patient into another room called audio, and another room called PFT2, and if he needs to get a physical, and then I can go ahead and check this patient out. And now that person gets checked out. Let's go back to the back office system. Go ahead and sign out here. Under this particular location, it shows the dashboard. It also shows the room view. Room view is a way for the back office to see the actual room and all the different rooms and the patients in those rooms. Okay. Come back over to this particular location. And we also have additional location details, the start and end date of the check-in, size of the room queue, and the additional information about that particular center. One of the other things that we have is database of current and past patients. And then we also have overall analytics that will show analytics for that particular day, how many people checked in at each location, and so forth. And this concludes the check-in process for occupational medicine. Thank you.